Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me back here today. Today, I am going to share with you how I make my delicious lamb platter at home. Guys, it is so flavorful, so delicious, and most importantly, it is so easy to make. So get ready. Come on, let's go. Okay, guys, as you guys know, first things first, let me introduce you to the ingredients. First off, I have my lamb hair, which I already went ahead. I washed it out in vinegar and lime. For the lamb platter, we are going to need a yellow bell pepper, a red bell pepper, zucchini green, and a yellow one, some grape tomatoes, thyme, some basil paste, some minced garlic paste. You can also go ahead and use chopped garlic. Today I'm using my basil paste and garlic paste from the Gourmet Garden. I love these pastes. They are so convenient. And for my seasonings, chili powder, za'atar seasoning, gram masala, brira, smoked paprika, garlic magic seasoning, turmeric powder, tomato paste, and olive oil. This is how simple this is to make, guys. This is all the ingredients, very easy, very simple. And this delicious lamb platter can be served with rice or some naan and bread on the side. It is so delicious. Okay, guys, the first thing we need to do, we need to season our lamb. So I'm going to go in with my garlic magic seasoning. And I'm going in very generously with this, guys, because I did not have any salt to this, and these seasonings already have salt. My gram masala. My za'atar seasoning. My brira. Smoked paprika. Chili powder. Turmeric. Soy sauce. So you need about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Basil paste. Garlic paste. Tomato paste. About a tablespoon of tomato paste. And a handful of thyme. So that will be maybe about 2 tablespoons of thyme. I'm just going to just break it apart. And by doing so, you just pull out all the fragrance from the thyme. Smells so good. And just pull the leaves off of the stems, guys. And you can leave some of the stems in there, it's okay. And now I'm just going to go ahead and mix this all together. Make sure all of my lamb is coated. Put some foil on here. And I'm going to place this in the refrigerator for about an hour so it can marinate and all the flavors of my spices can infuse in here. So I'm just going to slice up my vegetables. All my vegetables here sliced up and my tomatoes. So our lamb has been marinating for about an hour and a half. Now I'm going to get ready to put it in the oven. Normally I do this in a flat pan. Today I'm going to do it in a dish, so that way I can serve it directly from the dish. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and place my lamb in my dish. And guys, it smells so delicious. Now I'm going to go ahead and add all of my vegetables. My peppers. For this, I'm going to add my tomatoes. I'm going to top with some onion. I'm using white onions. You can go ahead and use red onions if you like. Some green onions, which I went ahead and chopped. Guys, there's nothing better than freshly chopped herbs. Garlic, which I went ahead and I just chopped very thinly. I find that the paste works really well when you're seasoning your lamb to really get in there. So that's why I use my garlic paste to season my lamb. But I'm going to use the fresh garlic on top. So as it cooks in the oven, the garlic will just infuse into the vegetables and into the meat in the bottom. Parsley. Fresh ginger, guys. It smells so good. And I find that the ginger adds another layer of flavor to my lamb. As I said, lamb has this gamey smell to it, so anything I can do to cut down on that gamey smell, I do it, and I find that ginger works really well for that. That's it, guys. This is how I make my lamb platter. Now I'm going to go ahead and cover this with some foil and place it in the oven. Okay, guys, so into the oven it goes for about an hour and a half at 350 degrees. My delicious lamb platter is done. It smells amazing in here. I hope you like this video. Please leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know if you are going to try this delicious yet simple lamb platter. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let me show you how it turned out. And that's it, guys. Look how beautiful it is. And you can have this as a meal all on its own. Or you can go ahead and have it with a side of rice or some flatbread. But I'm going to have it just like this, just with my vegetables and my lamb. And that's it. My lamb is so tender, it's just breaking apart. Now, let's eat. Guys, it is so delicious. So delicious. Until the next video, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.